สุดท้ายบางปอนต่างออกนี้นึกน้องเมเรียนม้วนคือขยมบานบางหันบางปอนต่างออกนี้แตะตรงจมูกหนึ่งระเบียบนึกน้องการศึกษาสำนองประโยคให้ขยมบานบางเรียนเมเรียนแตะตรงจมูกหนึ่งปีธา sentence จังเป็นใน sentence คือเชื่อไว้คือขยมบานบางหันจูนปอนต่างออกนี้รุ่ยท้ายนึกน้องเพียตีมวยนะจังนึกน้องเพียตีปีนี้ได้คือขยมหนึ่งบางหันปอนปต่อติดแตะตรงจมูกหนึ่ง linking wordตา linking word คือเชื่อไว้ให้หนึ่ง monotransitive word monotransitive word นี้มีในตา monotransitive verb คือเชื่อ transitive word นี่คือเชื่อไว้เช่นในขนมเรียนนี่คือขยมนำบางหางแต่งปีนะแต่งประเภทใน linking word ให้หนึ่งแต่งประเภทใน monotransitive verb ดำไปใช้ชุนปนต่างออกนี้ให้อะไรนี้ปนต่างออกนี้เยอะมุนหนึ่งโจทย์ต่อการศึกษาเรียนนี้ปนสมิตาช่วยช่วยไลค์จดแชร์ให้หนึ่งจด subscribe หรือก็สัญญากระดังประสานแบบปนมันตอนบานช่วยจดต่อดาวชแนลระบบพิมพ์มาเตต่อเลยนี้ก็มอยอยู่ก้ายังโจทย์ต่อศึกษาต่างออกนี้แตะตรงจมูกหนึ่งประเภทใน linking word ให้หนึ่ง monotransitive verb
ได้จำนวนนี้คือยังตรสกอลในประเภทกริยาศัพท์สำคัญได้ตรยกมาปราในขนมสำนองประโยคบานจังจำพวกประเภทกริยาศัพท์ตรงตีมวยนี้ยังเอาชมทางประพวก linking verbs หรือก็ประพวก copular verbs บ่าให้เขียนกระดาษโน้ตของได้ทาจำนวนจำนวนนี้บองโอนไอเฟอร์การรีเสิร์ชบันทัยมาขนมโกโก้จำพวก linking verb นี้ดาวซาเขียนบันดาอุติหอจูนตรำตายมวยจำนวนปนเนาะภายปีนี้ก็โดยเฉพาะมันเซลจะมีจานประมาณได้ที่จังปีต่างออกนี้เวียนคลายแต่จิอุติหอจูนดอลบองโอนต่างออกนี้ให้เปอร์เซ็นต์บ่าบองโอนลงจังสาวเชื่อบันทัยที่ลงเจออินเตอร์โกโก้เลยครูนายให้ลงไวเปีย linking verbs นั้นโจแต่ขนมประอบเซอร์เตอร์ให้บองโอนเซอร์เตอร์บองโอนนั้นตัวบันอุติหอบันทัยที่เปียปอนถึง linking verb นั้นบ่า linking verb จะกริยาศัพท์โดยมาได้เตอร์บ่า verbs that link a subject to its complement จังกริยาศัพท์ linking verb คือเจียกริยาศัพท์ได้จ้อง subject ระบบวิเตอร์จมูกหนึ่ง complement ระบบวิในขนมภาษาขมายยังเอาจมูก linking verb นี้ถ่ายเจียกริยาศัพท์จำนองยังก็มีกริยาศัพท์ประเภทนี้ในขนมภาษาขมายยังได้แล้วอุติหอกริยาศัพท์ประเภท linking verb นี้มีโดยเจียไว้คลาเตอร์บ่าที่มวยโดยเจียเป็น look be feel taste smell become sound seem grow remain turn go get บ่าเชื่อมโซ่หลังจำหมดได้ look be feel taste smell become sound seem grow remain turn go get บ่าโดยฉะนั้นเปียต่างออกนี้คือสไตล์จีกรม linking verb ต่างออกให้การบอกปลายระบบวิคือมีลักษณะมวยโดยไล่ปีกริยาศัพท์ตัวเตอร์เปียลูกนี้ยังบอกท่ามันบอกท่าสำลังเตคือบอกท่าเมื่อเตอร์โดยเจี๊ย be คือเจี๊ย feel มีอารมณ์โดยเจี๊ย taste มีรสชาติโดยเจี๊ย smell ทมคลันโดยเจี๊ย become คลายโดยเจี๊ย sound ดับลือเตอร์โดยเจี๊ย seem หะใบโดยเจี๊ย grow ลิริลุดลอดโดยเจี๊ย remain บรรทอทัดโดยเจี๊ย turn ปลายโดยเจี๊ย go คลายโดยเจี๊ย etc โดยใช้ส้มบรรทอแต่การอุติหอต่างออกนี้บ่า structure ที่มวยในขนมสำนองประโยคคือมีตุ่มรง subject โบกจมูกหนึ่ง linking verb ในไอในเป้ได้บองปอนปลาประเภท linking verb ในขนมสำนองประโยคบองปอนเถอะแต่จ้าไม่บานจะบ้าท้า complement ได้เติมปลาในขังกลาง linking verb บานแต่ปีกดคือนิ่มให้หนังอาจจะติวบ่าโดยใช้ส้มกระเลยเมื่ออุติหอต่างออกนี้ they are teachers พวกเก๋คือจะครูบังเรียนบ่า they คือจะ subject are คือ verb to be ยังนั้น to be นั้นคือจะ linking verb ให้ยังมีเปีย teachers นั้นยังทำแต่ complement ยังส่วนเมื่อถ้า teacher นั้นมีรองของเปอร์ปี subject day เด้พวกเก๋คือจะครูมีรองของเปอร์เด้เมื่อกับประโยคนั้นอัดมีนของเปอร์บางยังกัดซับเมื่อ they are teacher พวกเก๋คือจะครูผมมีนของเปอร์เด้วิเคราะห์แต่สำได้หน้าการะมกเงียสเพียบในมนุษย์นั้นถ้าก่อนนั้นคือจะครูบังเรียนโดยเฉพาะกริยาศัพท์ประเภท linking verb นี่คือผมมีนของเปอร์เด้ให้บ่าโดยเฉพาะนู้เปีย teacher นี้สมบูรณ์ปนกลมโยลจะล้อมเวียผมแมนเจี object หรือก็ผมแมนเจีกรรมบอสในอำเภอนามูนุไลปีโปรธาในขนมประโยคนู้ผมมีนแต่งอำเภอพองจังเกหาเวทาเจียไว้เตอร์เกหาเวทาเจี subject complement បាទគេហៅថាវាថាជា subject complement ព្រោះវាជាពាក្យដែលបំពេញន័យទៅឲ្យ subject វិញបាទ day ណាគេគឺ day ហ្នឹងគឺជា teacher អញ្ចឹង teacher ហ្នឹងគឺជាពាក្យដែលត្រូវបំពេញន័យជះត្រឡប់ទៅកាន់ប្រធានវិញអញ្ចឹងគេឲ្យឈ្មោះថាជា subject complement បាទហើយ subject complement ហ្នឹងគឺនៅក្នុងគឺត្រូវប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹង linking verb ហ្នឹងមានទម្រង់តែពីរគឺជានាមឬក៏ជា adjective សូមឧទាហរណ៍ជាបន្តទៀត they are clever បាទ they are clever អញ្ចឹងពួកគេគឺឆ្លាតអញ្ចឹងពេលនេះយើងសង្កេតឃើញថានៅខាងក្រោយ verb to be នេះយើងប្រើ clever ដែលជាគុណនាមបាទសូមមើលបន្តទៅទៀត we are students ពួកយើងគឺជាសិស្ស we are hardworking ពួកយើងប្រឹងប្រែងធ្វើការជាគុណនាម she is a doctor នាងគឺជាគ្រូពេទ្យបាទជានាម she is busy នាងរវល់គឺជាគុណនាម he became the manager គាត់បានក្លាយទៅជាប្រធានជានាមhe became crazy គាត់ប្រែទៅជាឆ្កួតគឺជាគុណនាមthey feel happy ពួកគេមានអារម្មណ៍ថារីករាយគឺជាគុណនាម it seems a good decision វាហាក់ដូចជាការសម្រេចចិត្តមួយដ៏ល្អបាទវាគឺជានាម she seems angry នាងហាក់បីដូចជាខឹងបាទគុណនាមនិងចុងក្រោយគឺ John appears calm John មានអាការៈដូចជាស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ល្អសូមមើលឧទាហរណ៍ជាបន្តទៀតចំពោះក្រុម linking verb នេះLinda looks sad Linda មិនមែនសម្លឹងទេយើងបកថា Linda មើលទៅហាក់បីដូចជាកើតទុក្ខ The food tastes delicious អាហារនេះមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ The flowers smell fragrant ផ្កានេះធំក្លិនដូចជាក្រអូបណាស់ The teacher sounds angry លោកគ្រូស្ដាប់ទៅដូចជាខឹង Your voice sounds melodic សំឡេងរបស់អ្នកស្ដាប់ទៅគឺពីរោះដូចតន្ត្រីThe music grows louder សំឡេងតន្ត្រីហ្នឹងគឺឥឡូវវាកាន់តែលឺទៅហើយ She remains calm នាងបន្តស្ថិតនៅក្នុងភាពស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ It gets dark វាប្រែទៅជាងងឹត She acted clever នាងមានអាការៈឆ្លៀសវៃ He acted foolish គាត់មានអាកប្បកិរិយាឆ្កួត Her face turned pale មុខរបស់នាងប្រែទៅជាស្លេកស្លាំង My dream comes trueសបិនរបស់ខ្ញុំបានប្រែទៅជាការពិតអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនត្រូវចាំ structure ទី1ទម្រង់ទី1នៃសំណង់ប្រយោគនៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសនេះគឺ analom ទៅតាមទម្រង់ subject បូកជាមួយនឹងក្រុម linking verb បូកជាមួយនឹងនេះគេហៅថា complement របស់វាគឺជាក្រុមពពួកនាមឬក៏ពពួក adjective នេះសម្រាប់ពេលនេះយើងសូមបន្តទៅមុខទៀតកិរិយាសព្ទប្រភេទទី2កិរិយាសព្ទប្រភេទទី2នេះមានឈ្មោះថា mono transitive verbs ពាក្យនេះប្លែកបន្តិចពេលខ្លះយើងអត់សូវបានឃើញវាដែរ mono transitive verb យើងធ្លាប់តែលើពាក្យថា transitive verb តែពុំសូវលើពាក្យថា mono transitive ទេអញ្ចឹងយើងសួរថាអ្វីទៅជា mono transitive verbs បាទ mono transitive verb គឺជាកិរិយាសព្ទដែលត្រូវការកម្មបទតែមួយប៉ុណ្ណោះដើម្បីឲ្យកិរិយាសព្ទនោះមានអត្ថន័យពេញលេញគ្រប់គ្រាន់អញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍នៃកិរិយាសព្ទ mono transitive ហ្នឹងមានអ្វីខ្លះទៅមានដូចជាពាក្យ buy យើងសាកគិតមើលគិតដូចយើងសិក្សានៅចំណុចខាងដើមមុននឹងបន្តិចនោះទិញបត់អីទិញកើតទេអត់កើតទេអញ្ចឹងវាគឺវាត្រូវការកម្មបទរបស់វាគឺទិញឧទាហរណ៍ buy a book buy a pen buy a car buy a house អញ្ចឹងត្រូវការកម្មបទមួយទៅកិរិយាសព្ទហ្នឹងមានន័យគ្រប់គ្រាន់ខុកចំអិនអីបាទចោលតតែមានអីចំអិនមិនចំអិនកើតបិទអីទៅបាទវាតតែមានរបស់មួយជាអ្នករងអំពើវាទាំងអស់ទៅកិរិយាសព្ទក្រុមនេះអាចមានន័យទៅកើតដូច្នេះសូមបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមបន្តតាមដានជាមួយនឹងឧទាហរណ៍របស់យើងដែលមាននៅក្នុងទំព័រនេះដូចតទៅបាទចឹងចំពោះក្រុម mono transitive verb គឺអនុលោមទៅតាមរូបមន្តផ្សេងពីក្រុមពពួក linking verb បាទអញ្ចឹង structure ទី2នៃសំណង់ប្រយោគនេះគឺផ្ដើមឡើងដោយ subject ហើយបន្តមកកិរិយាសព្ទរបស់វាប្រើក្រុមពពួក mono transitive ហើយ complement របស់វាគឺប្រើពពួកនាមតែនាមពេលនេះគឺជា object គឺជាកម្មបទរបស់ mono transitive verb ហ្នឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងសូមបន្តទៅឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជា Linda cooks meal បាទ Linda ចំអិនអីចំអិនអាហារបាទអាហារគឺជាកម្មបទរបស់ cook បើដកតា meal នឹងចេញ cook លែងមានន័យហើយ David drives a car បើដក car ចេញ drive ក៏លែងមានន័យដែរ He watch a movie ដូចគ្នា She eats breakfast នាងញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកបើអត់តែមានអាហារពេលព្រឹកនាងញ៉ាំអីគឺពុំមានន័យទេបាទ They drink beer បាទ drink ផឹកតកើតមានន័យតកើតដោយសារតែមាន beer ហ្នឹងឯងបើអត់មាន beer ទេមិនដឹងផឹកអី We need jobs យើងត្រូវការការងារបើអត់ការងារយើងត្រូវការអីបាទសូមបន្តទៀត He wrote a letter គាត់បានសរសេរសម្បត្តិមួយច្បាប់សម្បត្តិគឺជាកម្មបទរបស់ wrote បាទ They bought a car ពួកគេបានទិញឡានមួយអញ្ចឹងឡានហ្នឹងគឺជាកម្មបត្តិរបស់ទិញបាទអញ្ចឹងទិញតើតាមានរបស់ទិញបើយើងអត់មានរបស់ទិញយើងទិញអីដូច្នេះ my car នឹងហើយដែលហៅថាជាកម្មបត្តិឬក៏យើងហៅបានថាជា complement របស់កិរិយាសព្ទ bought បាទ I sell clothes ខ្ញុំលក់ខោអាវបាទអញ្ចឹងលក់អីលក់ខោអាវបាទ David spoke English បាទ David និយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេសបាទនិយាយអីនិយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេស They studied French បាទពួកគេរៀនភាសាបារាំងបាទចុងក្រោយ The boy read a newspaper បាទក្មេងប្រុសហ្នឹងគាត់អានកាសែតបទអីអានតែគាត់អានអីដូច្នេះក្រុមកិរិយាសព្ទទាំងអស់នេះសុទ្ធតែជាក្រុមកិរិយាសព្ទ mono transitive verb ដែលវាត្រូវការកម្មបត្តិមួយនៅពេលខាងក្រោយវាទើបអាចធ្វើឲ្យវានឹងជាកិរិយាសព្ទដែលមានន័យអាចស្ដាប់បានគ្រប់គ្រាន់ហើយក៏នឹងធ្វើឲ្យប្រយោគរបស់វាខ្លះទៅជាប្រយោគមួយដែលមានអត្ថន័យពេញលេញស្ដាប់បានគ្រប់គ្រាន់បាទសូមបន្តទៅទៀតចំណុចនេះមិនតាន់ទៅមុខទេឥឡូវយើង stop and check បន្តិចសិនឥឡូវសូមបងប្អូនពិនិត្យមើលប្រយោគខាងក្រោមនេះមានច្រើនបងប្អូនសាកពិនិត្យបន្តិចទៅមើលថាតើប្រយោគខាងក្រោមនេះបានទៅសេជាមួយនឹងក្រុម linking verb ឬក៏ក្រុម mono transitive verb Lina is a man Lina is a man តើវាគឺជាអីបាទនេះគឺជា linking verb បាទ David drives a car បាទអញ្ចឹងថាតើវាជា drive នោះជា linking verb ឬក៏ជា mono transitive verb បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញថា a car គឺជាកម្មបត្តិរបស់ drive អញ្ចឹង drive គឺជា mono transitive ហើយ He seems unhappy adjective បងប្អូន unhappy adjective មិនអាចឈរនៅក្រៅ mono transitive បានទេគឺអាចឈរបានតែនៅក្រៅប្រព័ន្ធ linking verb ប៉ុណ្ណោះដូច្នេះ seem គឺជា linking verb She eats cake នាងញ៉ាំនំ cake អញ្ចឹង cake គឺជាកម្មបត្តិអញ្ចឹង eat គឺជា mono transitive They drink beers drink គឺជា mono transitive We need jobs ពួកយើងត្រូវការការងារ need job ហ្នឹងគឺជា mono transitive He looks handsome គាត់មើលទៅដូចជាសង្ហាបាទ handsome គឺជាគុណនាមអញ្ចឹង look វាតទៅវាជា linking verb បាទជាការពិត look គឺជា linking verb They remain silent បាទ silent គឺជាគុណនាមអញ្ចឹងគុណនាមត្រូវឈរនៅពេលក្រោយ linking verb អញ្ចឹង remain គឺជា linking verb I sell clothes យើងអាចដាក់សំណួរសួរថាខ្ញុំលក់អីបើអត់អីលក់មិនកើតដូច្នេះ clothes នេះគឺជាកម្មបត្តិរបស់ sell អញ្ចឹង sell គឺជា mono transitive David spoke English ដូចគ្នា spoke ក៏ជា mono transitive He seems a good man គាត់ហាក់បីដូចជាមនុស្សប្រុសល្អដែរអញ្ចឹងគឺ seem នេះគឺជា linking verb ដោយសារ good man ជានាមនាមលោកគ្រូ English ខាងលើនឹងនាមដែរ a good man នឹងនាមដែរក៏ប៉ុន្តែហេតុអីបានជា English ខាងលើគឺជាកម្មបត្តិដោយសារតែវារងអំពើប៉ុន្តែ a good man គាត់ហាក់បីដូចជាបរិសុទ្ធល្អម្នាក់សួរថាតើមានអ្នកណាធ្វើអំពើទៅលើអ្នកណាបើគ្រាន់តែពាក្យថាហាក់បីដូចជាប៉ុណ្ណឹងហ្នឹងពុំមានអំពើទេដូច្នេះ a good man ពុំមែនជាកម្មបត្តិរបស់ seem ឡើយផ្ទុយទៅវិញតើវាជាអ្វីលោកគ្រូបាននិយាយពីខាងដើមនៅចាំអត់ពី a good man ហ្នឹងគឺយើងហៅវាថាជានាមឬក៏យើងអាចហៅវាបានថាជា subject complement បាទជា subject complement បាទមិនមែន object ទេវាគឺជា subject complement ដូច្នេះ seem គឺជា linking verb The boy read a magazine បាទអានទស្សនាវដ្តីអញ្ចឹងអានគឺជាអំពើឯ magazine គឺជាអ្នករងអំពើរបស់ read អញ្ចឹងគឺជាកម្មបត្តិរបស់ read ដូច្នេះ read គឺជា mono transitive verb បាទ